At this point, you may be wondering what the DASH diet is and why we chose it. Let's start with what the DASH eating plan is all about. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. Researchers found that by following the DASH diet, you can lower your blood pressure and cholesterol, manage or prevent diabetes, and lose weight. Although the DASH diet is best for heart health and diabetes, it's generally a healthy way of eating that can benefit almost everyone. The DASH eating plan includes lots of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, low or no-fat dairy, lean meats, fish, and poultry. The plan also limits red meat, sweets, sugary drinks, and processed foods. By following the DASH diet, you should expect to get more healthy nutrients like potassium, fiber, protein, magnesium, and calcium while eating less fat, sodium, and cholesterol. To be more specific, the DASH eating plan calls for a certain number of servings from various food groups. There are 8 food groups: grains, vegetables, fruits, fat-free or low-fat dairy, lean meats, nuts, fats, and sweets. For the grains group, aim for 6 to 8 servings every day. One serving could be a slice of whole wheat bread, or half a cup of high-fiber cereal, whole wheat pasta, or brown rice. Serving sizes can vary, so make sure you check the nutrition label on the product to see how much is in one serving. For vegetables, we ask that you get 4 to 5 servings every day. One serving is a cup of raw vegetables or half a cup of cooked vegetables or raw vegetable juice. That's about the size of a baseball. Fruits get the same 4 to 5 servings every day. This can be a quarter cup of dried fruit or half cup of fresh, frozen, canned, or fruit juice for one serving. That's about the size of half of a tennis ball. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fat-free or low-fat dairy. Think of 1 cup of milk or yogurt or 1.5 ounces of cheese as one serving. 6 or less servings of lean meats, poultry, or fish is your target every day. 1 ounce of meats or 1 egg is one serving. So a piece of fish or chicken the size of your palm would be about 3 ounces, making it 3 of your 6 total servings per day. Get 4 to 5 servings of nuts, seeds, and beans each week. 1 serving of nuts is 1/3 cup. Seeds should be no more than 2 tablespoons, and beans is half cup. 2 to 3 servings of fat and oil are all you need each day. Aim for healthy fats like 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, such as olive oil or canola oil. Skip the sugary drinks and limit your sweets to 5 or fewer servings per week.